Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa. That time again we call Big Up Sunday, and today we feature Zebee. But before we say nothing more, no check him out. Meds.
Mr. Djstullaa for my brother there. Yeah. Yo, Trinidad and Tobago. Come and see life is real. Now watch my brother them fall and fail. Still I tread valleys and still I grind night. Poverty now make it alive. Yo, true I survive now.
Viewer, subscriber, coming like everything where Zebee say, and me him a talk to, cause me go through them things. Me know the hard life, me know the struggling, and me say R.I.P. to my boy them with jump out. But Zebee, talk to them dog. Meds.
Cause me say life is real. Now watch my brother them fall and fail. Still I tread valleys and still I grind light. Poverty now make it alive. Yo, true I survive now.
You a subscriber. Me a go pin him link in the comment section. Me wanna check him out and give him on support. Cause you see them and youth here where come out of the Gideon and can talk like this here to get to you. We say 100 dog. Meds.
Well on. Watch friends them pass and just gone. And me still hold the faith for move on. Well on. Watch on my picnics a ball and I so far and the government them they give a damn. Every day, when I pray we have to make it. Life is real. At times we have to sit with
a subscriber. One thing me want on Meds and a message where Zebee bring dog. Because you see them a messenger, especially to get to you dog. We say 100.
Mr. Brother, know the place I done, so it going on. Think before you move, now this a stroll out. Streets are full with crime, but never know that. So you see your prayers and cover up before you roll out there. Now make them tell you things you never heard about, sir. See them are your friends, but never show that, yeah. Come on, now watch your life and if you own that.
Viewer, subscriber, we say 100 goes out to Zebee. Life is real, and that of 100 dog. Meds.